Hi everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can change Instagram password. So it's very easy and simple. You can just do it simply and easily. Go ahead and open up your Instagram application first of all, and then go ahead and tap on that little profile icon which is up here on the bottom right corner. Now from there, go ahead and tap on that menu bar which is up here on the top of the right side. Now once you tap on it, what you have to do is simply go ahead and tap on account center. Now here are many options available. What you can do is simply tap on password and security. Now here you can see the option change password. Now select the account that you would like to change the password for. Now once you select it, go ahead and write down your current password and new password and retype it again. And if you have forgotten your password, you can just go ahead and tap on forget your password and reset it. Once it's done, save the changes and you are good to go. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.